Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nisha this side, and today it is a very special video because today I'm going to tell you how to edit aesthetic vlog videos. That was my laptop. I'm just restarting it. That was my dinner. In case you haven't noticed, my editing has become a bit better मेरे recent videos में, and I've been experimenting with a lot of things here and there, just trying to have a lot more creativity and fun in my vlogs. So yeah, I've sort of come up with a system, come up with a workflow that works for me. And today I'm going to take you through the entire process, the entire workflow, from like how I start the videos, how do I get the assets, the audios, and technically everything. What tools do I use, and just break it down really good for you. And I'm going to share a bit of the tips here and there for you as well. So let's go. Okay, first things first, all my media stays in this SSD. I shoot all my videos on my DJI Osmo Pocket. ये वीडियो भी उसी के ऊपर शूट हो रहा है. And the moment I shoot everything, I just transfer all my files to SSD. I don't keep it in my local system or whatever. So that if I want to someday edit my videos on my iPads or something, like just have access to the media on the go, I keep everything in this SSD. This is my SSD and I have sort of segregated all my media properly. मैंने सबको उनको folders में डाल रखा है. So today I'm gonna take this video, which was my recent video where I was meeting my friends after a long while. So I'm gonna give you example. So I'm gonna take that as an example, and I'm gonna break that entire video down for you, like how I edited it, and I'll also show you my Premiere Pro project and just technically everything else. So yeah, this was the project, and as you can see, Premiere Pro is the tool that I use for editing. Mostly because I'm very used to it. If you are familiar with any other editing tool, I think most of the stuff sort of remains the same. You can choose whichever you like. And if I just expand this panel for you, so this is how the project looks like. I know looks very overwhelming, but I will break it down completely for you, so don't worry. The step one is actually to bring in all the media, technically import everything into Premiere Pro, and just trim it very lazily. You don't have to think everything through कि मेरे को ये part just trim it very lazily. अगर कहीं पे there are longer parts which you don't need, then you cut it down or whatever, right? So yeah, technically the idea with this first step is to figure out what all clips you want to keep in the video. So जो भी अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप डाल दो, जो नहीं चाहिए वो आप मत डालो. Two tips here. A, this has been my experience that if you import everything in one go, do it one by one. एक video को लेके आओ. For example, you bring one video here, import it here, then you come bring it here into the timeline, and then just see what part of it works, what part of it doesn't work, and then move on to the next. So एक को यहाँ पे लाते रहो so that you sort of get to some progress as well, and एकदम से आपका system hang नहीं हो जाए. Another tip is, while you do so, you will end up having some videos जो आप primarily अपने vlog में नहीं use करोगे. जैसे if you see here, what I have done, whatever videos that I've actually used into the vlog, I have marked them. So all these blue ones that you see, these are the ones that are part of the vlog. The rest of the ones, they're just there. I mean, they were not worth going to the vlog, so I've not kept them. So I'm gonna just expand it a bit for you. So ये जो आप first panel देख रहे हो, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, all these purple ones are actually all the footages, pure footages that I've used. Okay, this area, this you see, this is the intro, or in my cases recently what I have started doing, I have started putting previews, right? मैं इस पे सबसे last में काम करती हूँ. So yeah, so we actually start from here to actually here, cut it down very lazily, and that's the step one. In case you haven't noticed, my videos are not really about the music. My videos are a lot about the conversations that are happening into the vlog. I try to make them fun using the editing and stuff, and try to exaggerate certain moments a lot. Sometimes using some effects like zoom, basic effects. Sometimes I like to use some audio sound effects, some captions, some assets here and there. This is the second step of it. So जब मैंने basic cut कर लिया है, now what I do, all these red ones that you're seeing, these are technically just captions. Okay, these are all captions, and I want to show you guys. For example, if you come here, अभी मैंने इनको ऑफ कर रखा है. I'm just gonna turn it on for you guys. So whatever you're seeing here, right? These are all just captions. And I try to do it in two ways. One is when I am in the frame, when you can see me inside the frame. So for example, here I am the one who's speaking. So us case mein I try to keep captions very simple, which is just like this text. And the other part is when somebody who's not into the frame exactly, but part of the setting and he or she is speaking. So us case mein what I try to do, this is some recent thing that I've started doing. I do something like this, where I put chota sa image of the person. So here, for example, in this setting, I'm behind the camera, right? And I'm speaking. So what I've done, I've put my face here and I have put the conversations in the form of like a message thing. Now, how do you do that? First, let's talk about this part. I do it manually. Okay? I know very hectic work, and honestly, you don't have to. ये आप AI के थ्रू इजीली यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. I think there's a feature in Premiere Pro where in the essential sounds you can add dialogue, which essentially it looks at your entire timeline and वो automatically ऐसा caption आपके लिए add कर देता है. Right now let me show you how I do the other part, which is how do I add these things into my videos. Sometimes they are downloaded assets. मतलब वो सीधा सीधा मैंने कहीं Pinterest से उठा लिया है and मैंने सीधा उसको यहाँ डाल दिया. Sometimes they are assets that are made by me. So जैसे ये जो चीज़ है, this is something that I've made myself. This is also something, an asset which I've made myself, okay? And let me show you the tool that I use for it. And I swear by this tool. I love this tool. It's called Figma. And trust me, it's the best tool. And it's free as well. मैंने इसका of course upgraded version ले रखा है. Not because of the video editing. It's like primarily a design tool, UI UX design tool. And in case you don't know, I'm a designer by profession. So yeah, that's part of my job. But उसके अलावा भी it's such an amazing tool. I mean, it's superb. This is one file that I've created in Figma, and all the assets that I need in my video, everything lives here. Okay. So what I've done, see, this is me. Okay, all the things, all the pictures and everything that I've used into the video, they are here. And these are all the dialogues that are there in the video. Okay, it's an element that I've made myself. If you need a Figma tutorial, I would be really happy to do that. The other thing what you can do is you can actually download and find these assets, at least this background, from like Pinterest and stuff. And then you can use different image editing with like apps and stuff, and वहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. And another is, मतलब, this takes time, guys. This little activity, this actually is not really little. It's actually take a lot of time. So you can also decide to not do it and just live with the captions. That's like up to you. But yeah, okay. So these are all the assets, and then what you can do, you can just click on the export here, and then you can sort of download whatever assets that you have made in Figma, and then you can store it in whatever file that you need. And let me just show you my file here. So here I've created a folder which is called assets, and all the assets that I've created here, all these assets, different ones, okay, they all live here. And then you just import everything here, and just then जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको उसकी ज़रूरत है, you just put them here. And yeah, just to make it a bit more interesting, when these conversation appear, I have also added छोटा सा sound effect there as well. Let me just play it for you. Bro, stuff slide like and I have a full library of the sound effects that I use. You know, I've curated them over a period of time, so I already have a library made. तो मैं उसी को यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. And what I'll do, I'll put all these audios for you in a drive link, and I'll put it in the description box below, so you can go check it out in case you would want them for yourself. Okay, so once all the assets and all these things are done, which is honestly at this point, it's most of the stuff is done. मेरे vlog में most of the stuff is done, except once in a while what I like to do, I like to exaggerate emotions a bit, right? For example, कहीं पे zoom in कर दिया, if somebody has said something funny, कहीं पे किसी चीज़ को slow कर दिया. I'll show you a moment here. Because I need money. So I found this particular video clip funny, that I need money, so I just slowed it down. Yeah. So some exaggerations here and there जो मैं इधर उधर लगा देती हूँ videos में, so just to make it a bit more funny, and then a beat. Finally, after all this is done, Then I go and look for music just in case if I have some space जहाँ पे कुछ थोड़े longer time के लिए कुछ हो रहा है, nobody speaking actually anything or rarely speaking anything, तब वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा music डाल देती हूँ. And let me show you how do I find the music. For that I use Epidemic Sound. Honestly it's not that expensive, it's very affordable. एंड पहले मैं क्या करती थी, पहले मैं खुद म्यूज़िक ढूंढती थी, इस पर कोशिश करती थी, बट एज लाइक बेसिस ऑन द थीम और द वाइब दैट आई नीड, बट इट सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक्स ages to find good music and also variety of music. तो इसके लिए they have a very very good feature which I really appreciate. Epidemic Sound, I really like it. You can go to, I think, was it the Assistant? Yeah. So Assistant, this is one area, right? You can create a new session and technically you can describe what kind of a video you're trying to make, what is the vibe, what kind of music that you need, and it suggests you music basis on your need. And trust me, this works the best. It is the most wonderful thing in the world. पहले म्यूजिक ढूंढना it was so tough. Now it's so easy. तो मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल, एक डेमो देती हूँ एक्चुअली. Right? And then go ahead. And it kind of then search करता है अपने system में and sort of figures out the music that would sort of fit to your need. So see, these are all the recommendations. Let's just. I think this is good. And इसका एक और फीचर बहुत ही अच्छा है, which is let's say you like one of these musics. एक आपको म्यूजिक अच्छा लगा, they also suggest a lot of these things, but आपको एक म्यूजिक अच्छा लगा and you want to find more similar music like that, and then you come here, there's an option called find similar, and then it sort of finds more music similar to the one that you just select, and it works wonders, guys. It has helped me so much. This is hands on the best feature. This is good. This is so good. You download all that music, then bring it here, and then just add it. So see here at this part, I've added that music. I know, so funny. But that's the music that I got from this assistant of Epidemic Sound, and yeah, it's superb. Okay, and yeah, that's sort of it. And the final part, which is preview abhi bhi bacha hai. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, you can absolutely decide to not do it. I like doing it. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of how do I do that. Essentially, ये जो आपको preview का frame और ये सब जो चीज़ें आपको दिख रही हैं, which is like things right here. Again, I have created them on Figma. This is the frame. This is technically an image with transparent background, and then I have put my video behind this in Premiere Pro, right? And yeah, that's it. That's how it works. Okay, and yeah, that's it. I mean, this is the preview, and these are all the videos, chota. These are all the videos, and this is placed above it, right? So yeah, I mean, that's it. And then I have put again a music using the assistant feature of Epidemic Sound. And that's it. Then you export the video and then you just upload it. Thank you so much for watching. If you would love like any other topic, videos on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope that this video would have helped you. If you need any other help, please let me know into the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. Comment as well on my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.